So in a given problem, he has given two single phase furnaces A and B, which are supplied at 100 volts by means of a Scott connected transformer combination from a three phase of 6600 volts system, and also is given the power consumption and the power factor of each furnaces. Furnace A takes 400 kilowatts at 0.707 power factor lagging, and furnace B is taking 800 kilowatts at unity power factor. He is asking the current of furnace B on the three phase side. So you will be having three phase, and you will be getting here a single phase, two single phases, right? So I'll consider only furnace B because he's asking furnace B. So this furnace B is supplied at 100 volts. So that means this is also will be approximately 100 volts. So this is taking a power of 800 kilowatts at unity power factor. So first find out this current. I'll give a name to this as IB. Okay, and the corresponding current here will be, I'll give a name to this as IB three phase. Okay, and also is clearly mentioned it is a 6600 volt system, single three phase side. So first you can find out IB. So how to find out IB? IB is nothing but single phase 100 into V into IB into cos phi is equal to 800 kilowatts. Yes, clearly mentioned it is a unity power factor, so its value is 1. So IB equal to 800 kilowatts divided by 100. So this will be 8000 amperes. This is on the single phase side, but he is asking on the three phase side. So we know that V1 I1 equal to V2 I2. It is just like a transformer. So the current this side and this voltage, multiplication of these two equal to the multiplication of 100 and the current this side. So 6600 into IB three phase is equal to, this side is 100 volts, the current is 8000 amperes. So IB three phase is equal to 100 into 8000 divided by 6600. So these two will get cancelled. So 8000 by 66. So if you simplify this, you will get 121.2 amperes.